Verifying your bank account on Dead Man's Snitch is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is set up correctly. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Dead Man's Snitch website and sign up for a new account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password, to create your profile. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter bank details. Input your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues with verification. Step 4. Confirm small deposits. After submitting your bank details, Dead Man's Snitch will make 2 small deposits into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these deposits, which may take a few days to appear. Step 5. Verify deposits. Return to the Dead Man's Snitch website and enter the amounts of the 2 deposits in the designated area. Once confirmed, your bank account will be verified, and you can start using the service. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Dead Man's Snitch. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their support team for assistance.